guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is Marcello. Oh, now he's mad at me. But I thought that I would include him because I have a LITTERBOX subscription box. So LITTERBOX.com has all sorts of different things. You can buy litter, a cool litter box that's all techy and wonderful. They actually sent us one, and the cats are not quite used to it yet, so if I review that one, I'm gonna wait a while to see if we can get the cats to actually start using it. But they do have all sorts of other stuff, and they just started a new subscription box. So the subscription box is $30 a month, and you get all sorts of fun cat toys and things. I did pull some of this stuff out to play with a little bit, but then I didn't want it to get all gross and lost with the cats playing with it. Yeah, so this is just an ad for litterbox.com. Skip the store, cat litter delivered to your door, and you know, just all the different fun things that they have. So this box comes with like 6 to 8 cat things. So we have some toys in here. This spray, it's stain and odor spray, bamboo mint spray, and it's an all-natural spray for, like, you know, when they pee or puke on things, which my cats do all the freaking time. We completely got rid of all of the carpet in our house because it was completely destroyed after just a couple of years. So now we have hardwood floors, so that's been better, but that doesn't keep them from, you know, trying to find a rug or something to pee on or puke on. So I definitely will be getting a lot of use out of this. Hi, Ginger. Speaking of which, that one, she's been boycotting the new litter box and keeps peeing on my bed. I've been using, what is it, like some other spray, and it works okay, but it doesn't smell very good, and I'm excited to see how this one works. What do you see in there that you're playing with? Huh? So this, watch, Marcello's gonna come up as soon as I open this. This is catnip buds. Marcello loves catnip. What are you playing with? Hi, sweetie girl. Cello. Yeah, do you smell that? The first time I opened this, he came running in. Come here. Come here. I'll give you some. Are you gonna drool all over my bed if I give this to you? Come here. Come on. Oh, is that yummy catnip? And you can, you know, like rub this on their toys and stuff, and they just, Marcello especially, just absolutely loves it. And it's a big thing, and they're big fluffy buds. It's not just like little ground up bits. Watch, so I can just, you know, rub it on a toy. Oh no, it's all over my bed. This is making a mess. Okay, should we pull out some of these toys, Ginger? You seem very excited about these toys. You want the mice? Hey, look. So there were 3 little tiny mice. There's this cute little turtle. I love this little turtle. He's so cute. Here's a little turtle. Yeah, you want the turtle? And the banana came in here too. This one was unwrapped earlier, and it kind of crinkles. Ginger really seems to like this one. Oh, are you gonna attack that, Cello? Yeah? Oh, is that all of them? Oh no, there's more in here. There is, oh, a little fish plush toy. And unlike dog toys, none of these squeak, which is wonderful. There's just the crinkliness of the banana. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Do these smell so good and wonderful? Oh my gosh, they're so happy. So yeah, it came with 4 sets of toys, the catnip, which is a big thing of buds, and then the spray. So I'm really happy about this. You know, you always see like dog boxes, but this is the first cat box that I've ever had, and you can see the cats are loving this. They're so happy, and I'm totally gonna have to wash my comforter because it's gonna be covered in cat drool. That's okay, worth it. Worth it, huh, guys? Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out, if you have little kitty fur babies of your own. I think it's an awesome box. Plus, just check out litterbox.com. They have all sorts of fun things on their website. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!